So as you guys all know, it is absolutely meme coin season right now. Meme coins are absolutely pumping like crazy. There seems to be so many meme coins in the recent that have pumped more than 100x, 1000x, and even more than that as we seen in the past. And today we are bringing you a new coin that could possibly be the next Solana meme coin, and we're gonna be taking a look at how this has so much potential, and this could be very early on in what we are looking at. So this could be the next meme coin to pump absolutely crazy. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do that, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video, and let's head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen, and I have pulled up the coin that we are going to be talking about today, and it is called Pipi. So similar to Pipi, which has been booming in the past, it is also up around to 132% up in the past day. Absolutely crazy. It does have a lot of zeros like most of the meme coins, so it is also up around 132%, has a lot of zeros. So if we count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 zeros, and then 1151 is the current price it is at right now. So it is also up around 132% it already in the past 24 hours. So still moving like crazy. Is a very small coin right now as we look at it, because it just launched a couple hours ago at 9:30 in the morning, basically market opening. So very new coin we have here. Very low volume right now, only about $4,000. It is on Pancake Swap, so recently got listed. Most of the transaction are from there, so nothing on Jupiter yet, but we have seen a lot of movements happening in this. As you can see, it is very low market cap, around $12,000. So this coin has absolutely huge potential. As we even look to the right side, there is a lot of chat going on about this coin and what it could possibly see in the upcoming times. And this is a BM coin, actually a BNB coin actually. So seems to be a lot up. All-time low, it is up around 1250% in the past 24 hours. Absolutely crazy. So a lot going on with this coin right now, absolutely crazy. As we know, this could be the next pumping meme coin as usual. Nothing expected, but this shows the sign of early meme coins that could be pumping very recently. So it could be about to be huge. So if you are watching this video, do remember us, that we were the first ones to tell you about this coin, and this could be massively taking off in the next couple of days. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about what's happening with Pipi, also a new listed cryptocurrency just today that could be the next absolutely pumping cryptocurrency, or meme coin actually specifically. This could be our next grabbing opportunity. It is also just up around 132% in just the past 24 hours. It has been less than 24 hours even for it being listed, but it has seen absolutely huge growth. Shows a lot of signs of this being the next pumping cryptocurrency. So if you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel, talking about any recent pumping cryptocurrency, any recent changes we are seeing in the market right now. So do make sure to tune in daily for that live stream. And I also create a lot of long form content like this and on this channel, talking about new pumping cryptocurrencies like this one. So do make sure to check out those videos so you guys stay updated in the market to grab your next opportunity. So if you did enjoy this video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think, what other videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.